Here we go, start of a new week. I'm focused on the stock markets right now, as you know, from the end of last week. Nasdaq testing a big support level around the 23,900 area after the break of the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. A lot going on. There's a lot of opportunity. Oversold on the daily chart, so I was looking for a turnaround on Friday. We got to low of 23,829. So we overran it a little bit, less than 100 points, not a big deal. We still managed to hold on to this trend line dating back to the 1st of August. So that worked. Before I continue, please like, share and subscribe if you're enjoying my videos. And if you would like the best technical analysis and signals delivered through my private Telegram group to you every morning, you can copy my trades. You can see the reason why I identify various low-risk trade opportunities. I call it Earn While You Learn. From me, Jason Sen, with 40 years trading experience and 20 years learning technical analysis. The link to my website is in the description box below. We overran the 100-day moving average during the day, but we managed to close above it. So I think this is all pretty positive for the Nasdaq as we start a new week. I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart. There we go. Any bullish candles on the 4-hour chart that indicate we found a bottom? Yes. Bullish engulfing candle here. So that's a really nice confirmation for me. We even had a low test here of the previous bullish engulfing candle and managed to close higher on the second to last candle of the day. So this looks pretty good to me. And if you're wondering what these trend lines are down here, if I go to the 1-hour chart, we even had a broadening bottom pattern. Well, I believe that to be a broadening bottom pattern, and that is an extremely rare pattern. So to see that on the 1-hour chart at my support level is very encouraging indeed. This candle here on the 1-hour chart is not quite a bullish engulfing because the low is not as low as the previous candle, but still very positive. Broke the previous highs, broke above the trend line. We did probe down again, but we've managed to hold above the trend line by the close on this short-term pattern. So I feel pretty positive for those reasons, and I think we should see a good recovery in the Nasdaq. Just to back that up, the US 30, the Dow Jones, also found support at my level. The 23.6% fib of 45,635, the blue 100-day moving average, maybe 100 points higher, and a trend line going back to the 2nd of September. So 3 good reasons there why we should have found support, plus we were oversold on the daily chart. And guess what? We hit a low of 45,707 actually. So we just kissed the 100-day moving average and the trend line. We didn't quite touch the 23.6% fib, but a good reaction off that support level. 4-hour chart will be good if we can beat that high, which is 46,861. So a break above there on Monday would certainly be more positive for the start of this week. Even on the 1-hour chart, we've managed to break above the 100 and the 50-hour moving average. Won't take much strength for us to see a golden cross 50-hour crossing above the 100-hour moving average for a further bullish confirmation. Now, obviously, if we start breaking below Friday's lows, that would be a major concern and it'll probably trigger stop losses. But for the moment, the setup is as I expected it. The S&P didn't get to the 23.6% fib, actually hasn't gone down that far, tested the 100-day moving average, had a good recovery even though we've overrun it. So the picture is not quite so clear for the S&P 500, so I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to trust my technical analysis on the other two and believe that the stock markets at this stage have bottomed out and should see a decent recovery. I hope that's helpful. Please do join me again tomorrow.